What's up, guys? So today we're actually going to be checking out Holwell Gorge, and then later on in the day we'll probably be heading up to Cataract Gorge and check that place out, do a few rock jumps that I used to do back in the day, and yeah, we'll just go from there, I guess.
Baby, give me the song that keeps rolling on along until the break of dawn. Baby, give me the one, 'cause we like to get it done before tomorrow.
So we've just made it to the first waterfall. It's still pretty cool, but it's only small. I was going to go for a swim, but there seems to be branches all through the water, so I might just climb up onto this rock and just sit in the waterfall. Up there, there's like a little step you can sit on.
Why we driving this go light? You know I don't, you know I won't get it down. You seem to wonder how my funky delicious love. You know I don't, you know.
What a way to start the day. That water was unbelievably refreshing. Feel wide awake now. What's up, guys? We just got back to the car, and bloody oath, what a sick little walk that was. If you don't like leeches, would not recommend. I just picked about 6 of the little buggers off me. That was hectic. Next stop, Cataract Gorge. So we've just arrived at Cataract Gorge. Let's see if we can go find some rocks to jump.
Good enough, can't take no fake or love. Baby, give me the one, 'cause we like to get it done before tomorrow comes. Oh. So don't turn back, 'cause we can feel the funky groove. Baby, don't distract, lose contact, 'cause we believe you got the moves. And baby, you seem to wonder why we driving disco light. You know I don't, you know I won't get it down. You seem to wonder how my funky delicious love. You know I don't, you know I won't fail you. So bittersweet, no need to hold up to the scene. She goes.
Whew, what a hectic day. Met a couple little legends, both with the name Sam G. They were hectic. Did a couple nice rock jumps with me down there. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
'Cause we believe you got the move.
Day 2 of the adventure. We're going to be starting here at Liffey Falls walking track.
You know that old place near the railway where we used to tag our names to belong somewhere. You know that old grove where we stood in a row waiting to catch the other flag and hide our own. I see the old house, the one you had to pass to reach the golden yard of the forbidden land. I miss the old days, we found our own ways as we cruised through the street day by day. How did she know that he was so right? You sat together.
Alright guys, I reckon we'll just end the adventure there. It's been an epic couple of days. If you've enjoyed what you've watched so far, just drop a like or a comment. And yeah, just stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.